Hello students. So today I am going to explain you the question number 3 from exercise 12.1. So the question is, you have to observe the figure 12.3 that is given. So it depicts an archery target. So this shows you the archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions. So they have the 5 regions. First one is gold, first circle, and then we have the ring, that is red region. Next ring, it shows the blue region. Next one black, and last one white. So the question is, the diameter of a region representing gold score. So the diameter of this innermost circle is, that is gold score, is 21 centimeter, and each of the other bands, so each of the other regions, is 10.5 centimeter wide. So from here to here you can see, from this circle, gold circle, to the red, this is 10.5. again from here to here it is 10.5. again each different color region is 10.5 centimeter wide. So what we need to find out? Find the area of each of the following scoring regions. So let us write first given things, so that no need to look at the question again and again. So we'll write the given things. So I have drawn here regions. So this is question number 3. So it is given that diameter of, these are the given things I am writing, diameter of gold region or the gold score. So this is I have taken as gold region. So here the diameter, this is the gold region. So its diameter, it is given 21 centimeter. And each of other bands, so each of other bands had the width of, here it is 10.5 centimeter, again 10.5, 10.5 and 10.5. So find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. So we need to find out. First we'll write width of each region except gold, because gold's diameter they given, that is 10.5 centimeter. We have to find area of each of the 5 regions. So what is benefit of writing the given things? Again and again you should not read the question here. So first of all you have to write given things and which the question or the which quantity you have to find out. So we need to find out the area of each 5 scoring region. So first of all we will find the area of the gold region, and as you know all are in circular form, so you should know the formula of area of circle. So first of all I'll find out the here area of gold region. To find the area pi r square, because these are the circles, we need to find out the radius of the gold region. So whatever calculation I'm doing for the gold, I'll take brown color and I'll do the calculation. So here diameter is given, diameter is 21 centimeter. So its radius will be, this is the radius corresponding to the gold region. Radius is 21 by 2 centimeter. So you can find out, and you can add this as 10.5 centimeter if you want. So you can see each has the same width, but here both the sides, so it we have got the diameter as 21 centimeter. So whenever it is necessary you can take the fractional form of radius, otherwise the decimal form. So we got this. Now we'll find out the area of this gold region. So the area of gold region is pi r square. So right here pi is 22 by 7, or you can take 3.14, but better I'll take always 22 by 7 into r. So 21 by 2 I'll take. Why? Because 21 and the 7 will get divided. So 21 by 2 square means r you have to take double times. You have to multiply double times. So this is what r square. So 7 ones are 7 threes are. Here 2 ones are 2 11s are. So 11 will remain into 21 into 3 divided by 2. So if we find out this, now we cannot divide this 2 with any of the numerator. So multiply all the numerators and divide with 2. So if we calculate, we'll get the areas 346.5 centimeter square. Why? Because our radius in centimeter. So this is the area of gold region. So this gold region area, I'll write here. Area of gold region. So I'll put this in bracket because afterwards I want this, so I will highlight this with bracket. Next, gold region over. Now you go for red region. So red region, only this ring you have to consider. So now we have to find out the area of the red region, because after gold we have the red region. So to find out the area of red region, what we are going to do, only this ring region we want, area of ring region, but we don't have the direct formula for finding the area of ring. So what we'll do, first we'll find out the area of this circle, the bigger circle which has the diameter or the radius of this gold circle plus the radius, that is 10.5. From this big circle area we will remove this gold area, so that only ring area, that is the area of red region you will have. So here we need to find out the area of a circle including the gold region and the red region, and then from that we have to remove the gold region area. And already we have calculated gold region area. Now first of all we have to find out the area of this big circle. So as we know that width of red region or each region they given as 10.5 centimeter. So this you can write in fractions if you want. So 10 divided by, here because 1 point is there, so you will get this as what, 5 2s are 5 2s are 5 1s are 21 by 2. Why we are taking this as in fraction? Because somewhere in calculation this 21 and 2 will get divided and calculation will become very easy. So this is in centimeter. Now we have to find out the radius, this radius plus this 10.5. So radius of red region including gold region. So we are finding here radius of a gold region, red region including the gold region. That is what, radius of gold region, that is we have 21 divided by 2. So that will take, that is radius of gold region plus width of red region. So radius of gold region is, we have here 21 by 2 plus width of the gold region, that is 21 by 2. So it becomes very easy. Instead of taking points, it is easy. So here 2 you have to keep as it is, and otherwise you can see here 21 plus 21, that is 42. 42 divided by 2 is what will be getting here, 21 centimeter. So this is the radius of red region including the gold region. Now we got this radius from the center up to this, that is 21 centimeter. Now we'll find out the area of this bigger circle, that is including gold and red region. Therefore area of red region including gold region, that is you have to take pi r square, and you have to 22 by 7, and r is what, this is a radius of from the center up to the this gold region boundary or the last border of the red region, that we got as what, Here we are calculated, that we got as what? 21 centimeter. 21 into 21. So 7 ones are 7 threes are 22 into 21 into 3. If we calculate these all things, we'll get what? 1386 centimeter square. But this is not the answer. That is what? Area of only gold region. So we have the area of this circle. Even we calculate the area of this bigger circle. Now we want only ring area. So from the bigger circle area, we will subtract the gold area. So that will get the area of only this red ring. So here area of the red region. Only red region area we want. So we will find out the area here. Area of red region including gold region. From this you have to subtract the area of gold region. So area of red region including gold region is 1386 minus area of gold region we have found, that is 346.5 centimeter square. So if we subtract, we will get the area of red region, that is 1039.5 centimeter square. So this is the area of red region. So as we want this answer to find out the areas of these all regions, so I'll put this in bracket so that it will be highlighted. So area of this gold is over and red is over. Now we have to find out the area of this blue region. So this is a blue region. So here also same first procedure you have to follow. First of all, you have to find out the area of this third circle. This is first circle, that is gold circle. Second one is red circle. Third one is what? Blue circle. First of all, find the area of this blue circle. From that, subtract the area of this red circle, isn't it? Already we found. Because if you remove this, you will get the area of only this ring, and that is what? Only the blue region. That is third one. We are finding area of blue region. So as we know, here also we know the width of blue region, or you can take as blue circle if you want. So each has a width of 10.5 centimeter. That I'll write as fraction, that is 21 by 2. 105 by 10, that will give you 21 by 2 centimeter. Next, therefore, we have to find out radius up to blue region. So from here, from the center, you have to find the radius up to the blue region, because we want to find out the area of blue circle. So that will give what? Radius of gold region plus this width of red region plus the width of the blue region. So these three you have to add. So radius of gold region, here the radius of gold region we got as 21 by 2 plus the radius we want the width of red region, that is 10.5, and 10.5 we can write as 21 by 2 plus even the width of the blue circle we want, that we have at 21 by 2. So all together you will get what? 63, because 2 is denominator same, so I'll keep as it is and we will add the numerators. This is the radius up to the blue region. Now we'll find out the area of blue circle. That is pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7 and r square, that is 63 divided by 2 multiplied by 63 divided by 2. So here 7 ones are 7 nines are 63, 2 ones are 2 11s are 11 by 1 is 11 into 63 by 1 is 63 into 9 divided by 2. If you find, definitely you will get the answer as in decimals because these are not the multiples of 2. So finally you will get the answer as 3118.5 centimeter square. This is the area of blue circle. Now we have to find the area of only this blue region. So from the area of blue region, you have to subtract the area up to the red circle. So this all area you have to subtract. So area up to the red region we have got here as 1039.5 centimeter square. So from this 3118.5 subtract this. So the area of only blue region, that blue ring area you have to find out. So that is area of blue circle minus area of red circle. That is 3118.5 centimeter square minus this you have to do. So here area of blue circle I wrote minus area of up to the blue, red circle. So the area of red circle including gold circle. So this area you have to subtract because this is the area up to the red circle and this is the area up to the only red region. So this I will subtract 1386. This we have to subtract. So finally you will get the answer as 1732.5 centimeter square. So this is the area of only blue region. So this is what area of blue region is equals to 1732.5 centimeter square. So I want this to find out the area of next region. So I'll highlight this with a bracket. Now we have found the area of blue region. Now we'll go for the black region. So this ring area we have to find out. So first we have to find out the area of this black circle from the center. So this radius you have to find out. So at this is we got as 10.5 because area the radius of the gold is 21 divided by 2, that is 10.5, 10.5, 10.5 and 10.5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 10.5 if you do, you will get the radius of black circle. So this radius you will get. So find the area of the black circle, subtract the area up to the blue circle. So that is blue circle area we have calculated, that we will subtract. But before that we have to find out the area of this black circle. So black circle, it doesn't mean that only this part. So from the center we have to consider the area, this area and even the radius. So fourth one is what? We have to find out the area of black region. So the width of black region we have we have 10.5 centimeter and we have taken that as what 21 by 2 centimeter. Now we'll find out the area of black circle. To find out the area of black circle, we have to find out the area, the radius for the black circle. So we can add this 4 times or you can multiply 10.5 with 4. So what I'll do, I'll take this 10.5. So we have to find out the radius, isn't it? So radius we'll find out first. Radius is what? 10.5, 10.5. 4 times you can add. Otherwise 4 into 10.5. So if you find this, you will get the answer 42 centimeter you will get. This is the radius we got. So area of black circle, pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7. Then r we can write as here 42 divided by 2. Sorry, we don't want this division. We have completely we got here as whole number 42 into 42. So 7 ones are 7 6 are 22 upon 1 is 22 into 42 into 6. So multiply these 3 numbers. So here you will get the answer as 5544 centimeter square. So this is the area of black circle, but we don't want the area of this full black circle. We just want this band, or we can say that this ring we want. So we will subtract the area of full black circle and the area of this blue circle. So blue circle area we have here, isn't it? Therefore area of black region, that is the ring, equals to area of black circle minus area of blue circle. So black circle area we have 5544 minus area of blue circle that we got here 3118.5. So finally if you subtract this, you will get as 2425.5 centimeter square. So this is the area of black region. So always highlight the answers, the final answers. Next, the fourth part is over. That is what area black is over. Now the last region is what? White circle or the white region. So this is the white region. So I will not color it. Already it is white. So same here you have to do. First the find out the area of this black circle, sorry, white circle that are marked with the sky blue color. So this area you want. So 10.5, 10.5, 5 times you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 into 10.5 you can do. Otherwise you can take 21 by 2, 21 by 2, 5 times. So first we'll find out the area of this big circle. Then we have to subtract the area of this black circle. So this full area will get subtracted and only the ring area or the white region area you will get. So now we are finding area of white region. So width of white region. So why you need to write the width every time? Because sometimes they may here the width is same, but in all the questions width will not be same. So you need to write the width here. That is 10.5 centimeters. Now we have to find out the radius of white circle or up to the white region. You can write up to the white region. It means what? Radius up to the from the center till here. So that we have to find out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 into 10.5 I'll do. So I'll get the answer as 525 centimeter square, and after 1 place you have to put the decimal. So 52.5, it is the area, the radius of the white circle. Now we'll find out the area of white circle. That is what big circle you can take, or you can take the area up to white circle. So in 3 ways you can write this area. That is pi r square. So pi 22 by 7, and this is radius is 52.5 into 52.5. So I will convert this 52.5 into decimal. And here we have here 10, but I will not convert this because only 1 7 we have. We can divide. So 7 1s are 7. So divide this. 7 7s are 49. 3 remains. So 7 5s are will get. So 22 into 75 into 52. If you want, you can convert this also. So you'll get here 10. So this 10 10s are 100. So first multiply all the numerators, and whatever answer you're getting by taking the product of numerators. So in that product, put the decimal point after the tens place. So you'll get this answer as 8662.5 centimeter square. Now we need the, this is the area of big circle till here. We need only white. So from this big circle area, subtract the area of this black circle. So this full area how to subtract. So therefore area of only white region. That is what? Area up to the white circle or white region minus area of black circle. So remember, circle means what? Up to the black region, remember. So area of white region we have got here 866.2.5 minus area of only black region. So the area of black circle you have to take. So area of black circle we have here 5544. So there will be lot of confusion. So area of only black region you should not take. You have to subtract the area of black circle, means this full area you have to subtract, not only the region area. So subtract this. So we'll get the answer as 3118.5 centimeter square. So as this is a big question, so it takes around, to get the accurate answer takes around the 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. But you should not ignore this question. So they may not ask the area of all the regions, but they will ask the area of particular region. So let us take, they'll give this all the regions, but they may ask the area of only gold and the black region. So, or sometimes they may ask the area of red region and the white region. So calculation will be reduced, but to understand how you have to apply the formula and the adjustment, they are given this question. So this question may come, but not all the regions, but for few regions they may ask this question.